Hello, my name is Oliver Castaneda, and you are watching a demo of the video game Alex, Quach, and I created for Stanford CS248 Video Game Competition, in which we were finalists. That poem you just saw was a poem by William Wordsworth, and it helped provide a lot of the imagery for our game, in which you play this cute little thundercloud.
Hey, my name is Alex. We created this game using no third-party physics or graphics engines. So we just used OpenGL for the graphics, SDL for input and window management, and Audier for the sound. And all objects in this game are either created by us in Blender or were procedurally generated. And so the first thing you'll notice about the game is the overall look and feel. We wanted to go for non-photorealistic rendering, and so we implemented a watercolor shader to make the game look like it was hand-drawn. For that we have a toon shader for the colors, a Sobel filter for the edges, and a final watercolor pass in which we bleed the colors around, which kind of simulates how when you're working with real watercolors, the paints sort of dribble based on the texture of and grain of the canvas. And so in this world there are these cute flying slugs which fly around, and they run away from you for some reason. And they don't really do anything, but they're kind of fun to watch. And yeah, you'll see why they run away from you later. And so the world is procedurally generated using a fractal algorithm, and the colors of the grass are also procedurally generated.
So, as a rain cloud, your main function is to rain, and when you rain, you help grow the garden in this small world of yours. All the flowers and the trees are unique, they aren't pre-rendered, and no two are alike.
We wanted to have a more emotional appeal, so we kind of focused on polishing the look and atmosphere on the game. We got a really big sense of joy from watching flowers spring out of the ground, because it's just amazing to see stuff grow. And yeah, so you see we already ran out of water, so the way to get water in this world is to get it from the flying slugs, and the way to get it from the flying slugs is to kill them. And the way you kill them is with lightning! Yeah, so the lightning is also procedurally generated, and we use a recursive algorithm to do the branching for the lightning. And we also have some special shader effects to make the lightning glow and flash and as appropriately. So yeah, we're just going to slaughter them all now to get more water to grow more flowers.
So after a while, once you've had some time to kill some slugs and grow your garden a bit, you'll see some interesting inhabitants start popping up. For instance, this jellyfish, whose tentacles you can see are physically motivated in real time. He'll start to wreak havoc on the trees in your garden.
And then he'll come after you, and I mean you could try to shoot him, but it won't really do you any good, but that was kind of cool.
Unfortunately, the jellyfish is immune to your lightning, but there are ways to get rid of it. You'll see that
this windmill here blows you around, and if you go through it backwards, you'll find that the jellyfish gets caught in it, and well, you have to go around to the back first. We'll try again.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so once you grow enough flowers, you'll trigger the final cutscene and win the game. And so this cutscene is completely rendered by the game itself, and here it is.
So that's it. Hope you enjoyed looking at our game. We put a lot of work into it in the short time we had.
Yep, the class CS248 was really awesome. We're glad we got the opportunity to make such an awesome game.
Thanks for watching. Bye.